Hi, today we're going to show you how to register your account on the Arlo Mobile App. Let's get started. First, download the Arlo Secure app. You will be looking for the blue app icon. Click Get to download. Then select Login. Next, select Forgot Password. Here you will type in the email address that was tied to your Arlo account when signing up for Arlo. Select Submit. You will receive a message to check your email. Open the email from do not reply at arlo.com and follow the instructions to reset the password. Once you have reset the password, return to the login screen in the Arlo Secure app and enter the email and password. Then select Login. Next, you will be taken to the Arlo Terms of Service. Read through them and select Agree. Here you will enter the name of the location of which you are installing the cameras. Select Continue. Next, you have the choice to enter the physical address. You can do this now or select maybe later. Then select the Central time zone. Finally, tap Finish. If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.